Hi guys, it's Julie, and in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a beautiful little storage display rack for your earrings in about 10 minutes using only some very inexpensive items from the dollar store. So first of all, let's take a look at what you need for this craft. So the first thing you need is a picture frame. I have two different sized ones here. This one I got at a discount store for about $3. It's 11 by 14. I like the bigger size because I have a lot of earrings. And then I got this one at Ikea for about $4 or $5. That's a little bit smaller. Then you need a photo or plate holder. I also got these at the dollar store, two different ones here for a couple dollars each. And then you need something to fill the frame to pin the earrings to. And I have two different things here. I have some strips of wide lace that I got at the dollar store. And then I have this neat thing, which is kind of a roll of printed jute material, which is kind of like a burlappy. And I thought that would look really cute in the white frame. And the only instruments that you need to put this all together is a hammer and a box of clear tacks, thumbtacks. And that's pretty much it. You'll see in a minute how easily this can be achieved. So the first thing I did was take apart the larger frame. I took out the glass and the back, cardboard back of the frame, and so that it's just a wooden frame on its own like that. Then what I did was I took my roll of lace and I cut it strips so that it would cover the width of it 3 times like this. Now you can decide whether you'd like your display case to go vertical or horizontal. I decided that horizontal would be good, so that is what we are going to do. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to take these thumbtacks and I'm going to go through the lace and pin it down into these holes. And I may need my hammer to give it a little bit of a tap so that it really is firmly stuck in there. Okay, and then over here, so when you go on the other side, you need to make sure that it's really stretched tightly. This way that the weight of the earrings won't sort of weigh it down too much. But you do want a little bit of give. There, so that's what it looks like from the back side, and that's what it looks like from the front side. So I'm going to do that with the other 2 strips, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've got all 3 lengths of ribbon on here, pretty taut, and I'm going to just do a gentle tap with my hammer on those thumbtacks to make sure they're solidly in there. And that is what it's going to look like. So to make the other earring display case, I again took apart this Ikea frame, and then I have laid out my jute fabric flat here, and I took the inside flat from the picture frame. I'm laying it down on the jute material, and I'm tracing out the outline with a pencil, just like that. And I'm going to cut out the shape with my scissors. Like so. Like that. And then I'm going to take my tacky glue here and I'm going to do a line of glue around the inside of the frame. Okay, so I just put a nice generous amount of glue all the way around the edge. And now I'm going to press in my jute with the good side facing out. Just like that. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to leave this flat to dry. After about an hour of drying time, the fabric screen on the front of the earring rack was firmly in place. And then came the fun part, fitting all the earrings in to make a beautiful display. Well, Emily and I finished our craft, and I couldn't be more pleased with how it turned out. Do you like your display case?
I love it.
That's great. So as you can see, we did 2 different sizes here because I wear bigger earrings than Emily. But I decided not to put hers in a plate rack like this, just because the frame is thick enough that it stands up really nicely on its own. So both of these will go in our respective bedrooms. It's a nice thing to display on your dresser, and you can easily see all the earrings that you have. So thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will be uploading great new craft ideas every week that you won't want to miss. So thanks again, and keep on crafting.